guys, I just got back from Learning Express and I got 4 new squishies. Let me show you. First, I got the giant shark. I am gonna take the air out of it though, so watch me do that in my next video. That was the shark. Again, I am gonna take the air out of it in my next video. Next, I got the viral toothpaste. It feels like coconut oil squishy. And then I got the green apple. This one also feels like a coconut oil squishy. This is the green apple. And the one you guys love, the Vaseline cheese. This one might also be my favorite too. Comment down below which one was your favorite.